Hello. 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 Hello, Syed. Hello. Syed, good morning. Hello.
சார் கேக்குதா?
கேக்குதுங்களா Syed?
கேக்குது சார்.
வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இருக்கா?
கிளியரா இருக்கு.
ஓகே, கிரேட். சோ நம்ம இன்னொரு 1 minute 2 minutesல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாமா?
பண்ணிடலாம் சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே. சோ ஒரு 2 minutes வெயிட் பண்ணுவோம். சோ இப்பதான் ஒருத்தர் உள்ள வராங்க.
ஆமா.
ஓகே. Syed, உங்களுடைய கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே. உங்களுக்கு என்ன நேம்ல இருக்கு? ஓப்போவா?
ஓப்போ A5 2020.
ஓகே. மீதி பேருக்கு நம்ம மியூட் பண்ணனும். சோ உங்க டைம் மேனேஜ்மென்ட் கரெக்ட்டா பாத்துங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
Just ஒரு 2 minutes we can start it. ஏன்னா கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கும். I can share my presentation. என்னோட பிரசன்டேஷன் தெரியுதுங்களா சையத்?
தெரியுது சார்.
ஓகே. நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம்னு சொன்னா நம்ம பண்ணிடலாம். நம்ம என்ன வரவங்க அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். சையத் லைன்ல இருக்கீங்களா?
ஓகே ஓகே சார், நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். டைம் அப் இல்லையா?
ஓகே ரைட். சோ என்ன வரவங்க அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கொஞ்சம் நீங்க பார்த்து யாரனா வெயிட்டிங்ல இருந்தாங்கன்னா எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க, நான் அப்டேட் கொடுத்துறேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே
ரைட்.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay.
Right. So நீங்க கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க, நீங்க யார் வெயிட்டிங்ல இருந்தாலும் எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க எனக்கு.
சரி சார், சரி சார்.
வாய்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு அதிகமா இருக்கா? அது
இல்ல, கிளியரா இருக்கு.
இல்ல சையத் இன்னொருத்தர் அதான் வாய்ஸ் இதுல இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு தான் நிறைய சவுண்ட் கேக்குதா? இந்த ஃபேன் காத்து இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? சையத் கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது சார்.
Okay, right.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம் சார்.
So good morning to all. So maybe his audience are maybe already is coming inside. Maybe we will start now because the time is 10:37. So we have the exactly 40 minutes to complete the session. So I have the more information to share. But anyway, I will try to close it. How much information is there? I can take it to you. And first of all, I introduce myself as I am S. Sendar Kumar, CIO. I am the having the IT infrastructure and the technologies experiences almost 25 years in the field. So this is my small introduction. So we can start now. Syed, are you hearing properly? Syed, audio is right?
Yes, sir, it's right, sir.
So
I'm
you
hearing
just
clearly.
audience, maybe you're hearing properly means in your chat box type yes. So I come to know maybe as everybody is in right. Yes, I'm getting yes, 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 yes. Okay, done. Thank you. So today now we are starting our session. This is yes, this is our first screen we are starting. So today's our session is career growth in networking field. Maybe I come to know maybe your audiences, maybe they may be a student, faculty, and job seekers, and maybe working professionals in this maybe meeting. I want to ensure that after my session, this is the information definitely used for you because I'm going to give my maybe what is the demand, what is the network, and what is going to be a future maybe, and I'm sharing my experiences. So this and all. So just another instruction, do's and don'ts. In the during time, please keep your mic that is mute and listen. And anything you want to put means just put in the chat. My colleagues are watching that. They then and there they will reply to me. So we are starting now, right? First of all, is what is network? Maybe your people aware that maybe wherever you go, you can say that I'm having this network, I'm the network. I want to understand. I want to clearly tell you today we are talking about more about the internet speed. For this internet speed, what is the basic? Actually, what is the basic media need for your internet speed or maybe your network speed? Okay, so for example, you want to ride a vehicle from here to maybe somewhere area. If you want to go in the higher speed, you need the right road. That means the road may be in good condition and that is without any ups and downs. That is a very important one. So like that in network field, the network field is effectively you want means the media is very, very important. Today you are telling about the sir, I am having this much speed, I am having the internet, maybe I 15 Mbps, 20 Mbps, 100 Mbps. For all, that is very, very, very important. Is the network is a backbone of all the devices. Whatever you say, hardware, software, devices, Wi-Fi, whatever you say, that is the very, very important. Is your network is very, very important. In this, I want to point it out. One point: many of the students they will say, "Me, sir, as I don't have that much coding knowledge. Can I go ahead for this?" I said, "This. Think about that. First, you understand yourself. So how you have to go? You study the internet. You study maybe your computer science, computer architecture, whatever it is. So where you are strong, I want to go in maybe a what will say a software field or maybe a hardware field. So you have to decide it because you only know about your strength. So decide based on that. So for maybe software, you need a knowledge about the analyticals and logical thinking, that and all. And you need some passion to work in the software industry. At the same time, that's the network. You no need that much of coding knowledge in network field. Yes, the network field is a very convenient and ever demand course, ever demand medium, ever medium field. This is the one you are going to travel in through this session. Okay, so what is network? What is network? Network is just simply think about your family. You are the family, your father, mother, your brother and sister. So you are think as assume as your family is a one network. So you are communicating within your network. That is called you are speaking to your father, you are speaking to your mother, and you are having some sharings. Maybe you can give some important things to your family, your sister, like that. This is a one network. Same like that, you want to communicate to another network means, like for example, your sister, or maybe your uncle. So that is another one network. So you can communicate through from your network, your family to that family by the way of relationship. So assume that you are connecting through the relationship. Here in network, the network is a connecting through the media. The media is in the sense the connecting media means maybe a cable, any a QTP cable, the fiber cable
Hello.
is very important. Hello, hello, anybody is there?
நான் என்ன பேசுறேன் அவர்கிட்ட எதுவுமே பேசல இதுதான்
Sayed going on, Sayed?
Sir?
Yes, anything is
இல்லைங்க நான்
somebody is
நான்
calling.
எதுவுமே பேசல
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
audible.
no problem, no problem. So okay, I'll continue. So here, that network, I am telling about some small industry, small history about the our network. Where this network starts, the start from the is ARPANET. You heard maybe during your studies the ARPANET. They will tell about that. This is maybe the American defense. They are using that, and maybe it was proposed by Leonard Klintrock in 1961. The title is only the person issued the paper 1961. It's the paper name is Information Flow in Large Communication Nets. The term then is moved to the packet. Our network, all one computer to another computer, move in the form of packets. The term packet was coined by the Donald Davis in 1965. Then ARPANET. What is ARPANET? United States of Defense Program. This is the first one they use for the different purpose. That is Advanced Research Project Agency Network, Experimental Computer Network. That was the forerunner of the Internet. This is the one primary one they started. That is the one example you are seeing that in below me is image in 1969. That in ARPANET they use like that of devices. Then next. This is a small maybe information. You no need to maybe just follow me things the content. The internet invention is happened first. The Nicholas Tesla is the one person made the world wireless system in the early 1900. Then that is then Paul Outler and Werner Bush conceived the mechanism such of that is a storage system 1930 and 1940s. Then this after that, the first practical schematic is in maybe 1960 when MIT JCR declared popularized in idea of an interlogic network. He is the person introduced that, and here that the packets, the network connecting through, that is the packets is the main word, the packet switching. He only is made it that. And next level, as I said earlier, the ARPANET, the defense used that one for their defense communication purpose. Then after that, what has happened? This is in October 29, 1969. ARPANET delivered its first message, node to node. Node to node is nothing but the node is nothing but your computer. When one computer is node as node. So node to node communication from one computer to another. This has happened. The first computer was located in a research lab UCLA, and the second was at a Stanford in US. The first one they sent it to this. The message is login was short and simple, but is a crash. And what happened? Only the two character is reached the other end, Stanford. So even though this is the first one they communicated, then after that, the technology 1970s, Robert Kahn and Winton Cerf, they are the primary person. They made it a transmission control protocol. Today, the network and internet and many things talking about that. These two people, they made a platform for the 1 minute. These two people, Robert Kahn and Vint Cerf, developed a transmission control protocol and internet protocol through TCP/IP. They can say maybe they're the father of the networks. Okay, so then there's ARPANET TCP/IP 1983, and after that, all this maybe in 1990s, the computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented this World Wide Web. Maybe you heard Tim Berners-Lee. He is the person who invented the World Wide Web. And after that, this website and hyperlinks that and all is developed any like that. So see that the fathers of internet, maybe how many people you are talking about the internet network like that. These two people is the main person for the network and internet. Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn. Then this is the flow history. Actually, they started from 1958. And you see that one by one, you can go and search in the Wikipedia. You can see that from that time to this 2019, what is the development happened? You can gradually see this 1959 user is patented, that network oriented. Then ARPANET 1969, and next I will come to the next level. The internet is almost they started 1974, and after that I'm skipping some of the area. You can go through that after that. And 1991 WWS, that is a public website oriented, is happened. And after that is various development next like that. 1996 email, and 2019 internet 50. That is every year is going to the next any tremendous level. For all these things, this history, this is the only for the network. So believe yourself, network field won't be any slowdown. Today also, that all the industry running because of the in IT network peoples and supporting peoples. They are the 24 hours bar. They are working for all the days. They are taking care of all the industry. They are the backbone network peoples. So believe yourself, this network is a very big demand in future, or maybe current also. Why a networking carrier? Why you want to select the network carrier? You see, there is a very various fields are there, because networking is just like how you are learning in the young age is riding the cycle. You are after that maybe 20 years, 50 years like that. You won't forget at all how to ride the cycle. The same like that. Networking also same like that. So you can once learn, that will keep on update. So maybe that the concept is same, that is a keep on updation only, it will vary. So think it about that, and network demand. So this is a growing of 4.5% of that average, and approximately minimum level people as in network people is getting 3 lakhs per annum. So think this is the minimum level of this is whenever you are increasing your knowledge, your certifications, that will give the more development in your career. Then next, So what is the jobs? What are the, you generally heard about the networks or network. Only because you see there is a various network fields, various designation. Many people they think a network was only for boys or maybe gents. That is not true. Network is for the both male and female. So they are what is in Cisco. There is a many management level of things. Many technical oriented females are doing a tremendous work. Please think it in mind. There is a various designation is there. You see, network administrator, network engineer, network technician, network programmer analyst, network information system. In this also two division. One is a purely technical like device handling thing, and another one is net programming. Here also some minimum level of programming you can able to use it. If you are interested, you can learn that also. You can make your yearly maybe your salary package very high like that. Okay, so next I am going approximately. I'm telling this is the report I taken some 2019. This network engineers averagely that is it's starting that's almost 5 lakhs. Senior network engineer 10 lakhs like that. Network security engineer 4 lakhs. This is the entry level of thing. The network specialist. See, you see that is the network field people how they are getting while experience growing. Their packages starting from 3 lakhs to 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs like that. Only thing keep it in mind your knowledge to be very important. Your so how you are learning because the network field is very interesting. You can learn new techniques which are all available. It is all coming. So that is very helpful to you. So think it over. This is I am sharing for your knowledge. Then see that network salary is less than 1 year minimum. As I said, 3 lakhs is approximately, and 4 years, 4 lakhs and 4.5. 5 to 9, it's a 9.76, 10 to 19, it's a 19 lakh. Almost 20 years, you see, 36 lakhs per annum. So this is maybe it will go. This is I'm approximately I'm putting this. Don't think this is this many years that only. Not like that. If you have the skill, if you have improving your knowledge, so if you are improving your certification, that will give more value, right? So for improve your skills, that another maybe a very important is not only your education qualification. Apart from you have to do the certification also. That is the engineering. That is the CCNA Cisco Certificate Network Associate is the minimum. That level is if you are do this one, you are very expertise in the router oriented and network oriented. This is today people need more number of people in this career. Keep it in mind. Network engineer, network administrator, network associates, and after that various designation. So keep it in mind. The CCNA is a very simple maybe a course. You can easily you can work it out. So that is very useful. You can sit one place and you can handle the New York, New Jersey entire routers in one area. Okay. Next, so now we are coming to the I want to give some inputs to your maybe what is network. I don't know, maybe some of the people you are know already network, or some of the maybe is initial, some of the maybe experience. Some just maybe I cannot able to take entire maybe a session classes in 45 minutes or 1 hour. I'm giving some inputs. This will reflect in your mind, and maybe in future you can go through that. This is the topics I am handling that. So this maybe you can see introduction of network, fundamental network, network devices, network media, and IP addressing, network standards, like that of thing, Wi-Fi, network troubleshoot, network testing equipments, and your very important is your network jobs available in India and abroad. So this is the one main year, and introduction of network. So I told already network. What is network? Network is a simple group of two or more computer linked together. Simple. Actually, your computer, you're connected with your friend computer. This is a network. So please understand physical connection between these two computer, how it is happen through the cable, through the media, through the maybe a wired media or wireless media. This is the network. Very is important. And types of network: personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area, wide area. What is network? Personal area network. Please understand personal area network in your home. You are connecting, your device is connecting to your all devices which is available inside your home. That is called the personal area network. And I'll go one by one. You see, that only I told this is I'll show the diagrams that is easily you can understand. You see, you are connecting your devices, what and all, your laptop, your printer, your mobile, and all is that is called the private area network. Next, and 1 minute, somebody's coming. And then this advantages, there is, I will tell one advantage of headset like that, then you can easily. Here is no extra space required, connectivity, many devices, one time, secure, reliable, office meeting, conference, easy. For each and every network, there is an advantage and disadvantage is there. Okay, so in the disadvantage, span is a private area network. Maybe many people don't aware about that. What and all you are using inside your home, inside your office, that is called private area network. So we can go for the local area. This is a LAN. LAN is nothing but maybe you are sitting in an office, you're sitting in your college, that is connected all the computer connected through your cable, that is called as a UTP cable and STP cable through the network switches. So this is a very, very important. You see, this is a very interesting job. This network field is a very interesting job. So I hope so. This is a local area network. This is only connecting the one or two, more than one computers is through the cable media and the switch. So this is called local area network. So you assume that this local area network is maybe in your college having the 50 computer, 30 computers connected through the local area network. This is why you want to connect it. Please understand why you want to connect it. So this is the connection, how it is baby. Baby is maybe in the network is connected through the diagram. Just you have Siemens, you can easily know that. So they can assign the IP address. That all we can discuss later. And advantage of LAN, sharing of resource, sharing of internet, server client relation, secure data, communication paths. So in your office, in your college, you are connecting your computer to your server or connecting to a computer to your next maybe your professor. So through maybe a sharing of information, sharing of internet, sharing of resources is very, very, very useful. And disadvantage, data security problem. Actually, you see wherever you go, is a one advantage, and another disadvantage will be there. Here is the security, data security problem will come. The limitation of distance, the maximum limitation through network cable. So 100 meters you can go that. That is the limitation of cable. Then server crashes may affect all, and land is expensive, right? So 1 minute. Syed, is anything information is maybe I am keep on go.
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So metropolitan area network. So this is nothing but the network. So one city to another city you are going to connect. I told you private is a personal network that is called inside your home, and the LAN is maybe you can say think about your office or maybe your college. And metropolitan area network is you are connecting between the two cities. For example, Chennai to Mumbai. I want to connect it. How? So this is possible through this metropolitan area network. Here, this very essential is the metropolitan area network connectivity is through you cannot lay your entire cable from here to Mumbai, but that media is laid by BSNL, the Reliance or anybody. You are using that resources through the help of internet. Please think about that. The cable is already is there. Your connection is happening through that media. That's a network cable and internet services, right? So any doubts, please put it your information in chat box. This is the maybe that's a collection of LAN networks. This is just see the diagram. The LAN network, the metropolitan area network is nothing but that is a collection of LAN. For example, your college is having 100 computers in a department of computer science, and you are having the maybe a mechanical department has some 30 computers. So you can connect one to that another one through this maybe the area, maybe or maybe you can connect your maybe college in Chennai or your branch is available in maybe a Mumbai. You can connect through the maybe media through internet. Then this advantage, all advantage, disadvantage. I'm skipping some of the area because more things I have to tell to you. And wide area network. This is nothing but this. This is a connecting one country to another country. This is it will connect through the gateway. This will happen. For example, from here to Singapore, I want to connect it means I have to go for the maybe through sea cables and the sea under maybe the fiber cables laid already. And another way is a satellite oriented. But now we are connecting through the fiber opticals. So you see the connection media, this you see it may covers both national and international location, and the connection is happened with the devices of hubs, switches, fiber optics, modem, and routers. Before this hubs is not in use in nowadays. Maybe that is maybe due to some difficulties that we are not using now. Now we are using switches. Then what is next? This is the difference between the networks, LAN, MAN, WAN, and you can see in your maybe internet also. So this time there is difference you can see. And another is a topologist. There is a topologist. Network topologies are there. Bus topology, ring, star, mesh, and hybrid topologies. And this you can maybe go through in your things. Okay, this is all happened. That I'll show the diagram. It will give you clear idea. This is a bus topology. So this is the bar. This is all connected to this. You see, in that the problem is it will cut somewhere here, or maybe one node. It will not connect to another areas. So that is there is also advantage and disadvantages are there. And then ring topology is nothing but like this way, that is the one computer is connected to the two computer. So what will happen, this is just like your serial light, one is disconnected means automatically it will disconnect all the area. This is the ring topology. And the star topology, now what we are using is the star topology. This is the device center and the system is connected in the one, maybe one cut also, nothing will happen. So now whatever your network you are using, star topology. And mesh topology, this is the device is now is using mesh topology. Nothing will happen. One side is cut means another ways you can able to connect it. This is happen in our data centers and all the areas. This is very important. This is they will connect it like this way. And various types of network devices, hub, switch, router, modem. This is the connecting devices between the two computers. Okay. So we will see one by one. Hub is a normal one. This is maybe now we are not using this hub because this technology is somewhat old. So like this way it will connect it. You see hub. Here is in this a problem is that signal is broadcast to all the computers if you connect it through the hub. So nowadays we are not using. Now we are using the switch only. The intelligence make communication. There is a MAC address, data link within a network, packet filter forward. This is a switches now we are using. Is there is a various type of switches are there. As a manageable switch, unmanageable switches like that and all. Maybe you can come to know later. The switches connection like this way. This is the switch. The computers are connected to this, so that internet devices you can connect it. You can share the resources. Then is next is a router. Today you are whatever you are using in the internet router in your home. That and all one type of router only. Router is nothing but is a combination of hardware and software. The software is running inside your router. So routing is nothing but you are just like a traffic policeman. So who is controlling on the road? Who has to go fast? Who has to go next? So this is the router. Please keep it in mind. So for this, the software is a control in that. So in this IP is a main IP, and it will work on the network layer. Maybe you are studying, maybe deeply, you can understand this. Router structure is a router structure. You think in your home, you are having the router here. The internet is coming to this, and next router, then you are connecting all the devices. Router structure. Then modem. Modem is nothing is maybe before is they used for the through that maybe BSN line that and all. Modem. First of all, you understand that the modulation and demodulation. What is a modulation? That is in maybe in telephone line you are sending signal that this will travel. Actually, this the computer knows only the digital 0 and 1, and this to be communicated to the other end of the computer. How it is? The media is a telephone wire. The telephone wire will not send a 0 and 1 like that. What will happen? They will convert the signal 0 and the digital signal into analog that will travel in the cable and is reach the another destination. There the modem is demodulate that signal, that is called analog signal to digital. Then it will give to computer. It's a 0 and 1. So this is the one is the modem they are using maybe before through the telephone lines. Maybe some of the other people they know about the modem. And next is transmission media. I told very clearly transmission media is very important. That only I told your UTP cables, fiber cables. You see, this fiber cable is going to roll out of the 20 years. You see, today the whatever speed you are telling about that, the fiber cable is going to make. This is the transmission media. There is a various maybe a twisted pair, coaxial, fiber optic. So this is all maybe some more just information to you, twisted pair cables. That is a UTP cable, STP. UTP is a normal cable, and STP is the shielded type. It will give some more protection. And I'll pause on UTP cables. What are the cables types? Is a Cat1, Cat. Now we are using Cat6, Cat7 like that. This will vary because of the data transfer. The speed is different in this. So that is the one I am showing here. So LAN speed, that the megabits per second is traveling. That speed is different. Depends upon the cable. This is the tools, maybe RJ45 female and RJ45 male connector. This is a network end connection. This is a crimping tool. Through that only they will do that crimping. And this is the coaxial cable. You have seen maybe during the last time, maybe before and all, the cable TV connected through coaxial cable only. So this is the cable. Now we are using is not that much, and this coaxial connecting devices like this, BNC connectors, and this is for cable TV they'll use. You can see that. And fiber optic is now the big demand. This is maybe fiber, if you learn, actually fiber technology, if you know, means there is a certification. CCTT is there, and apart from many things is there Fluke network and like that. So they can conducting exam. This is a very demandable area because I told you this network is based on this fiber. Fiber is not there means you don't know have the speed. You cannot talk about the speed. So these are the application: telecommunication, local area data, cable TV, CCTV, medical education, fiber optical advantages, and this is the connection how it will be fiber cable, and this is the wireless transmission: radio wave, microwave, infrared. Three types is there, and radio waves is just like signals that pass in the kilohertz, gigahertz. Maybe this our radio station signals through the antenna. How it is radio works, same like that. And this is the microwaves connectivity, one end to another end, one tower to another 10. So this is infrared oriented. This is all not that much for you. Network cable is straight cable and crossover cables. So where straight cable uses means any device, your computer to your switch, that is usually straight cable. Suppose you are connecting the device to the device, there is a cross cable. Nowadays the devices come with the auto negotiation, that is called you no need to go for the straight cable or crossover cables. For example, crossover cable, where and all it will come means system to system. This is the cable, your cable connection end to end, how it will be. The straight cable like that, orange, white, orange, blue, white, the green, white, green, and blue, white, blue, and brown, white, brown, and brown, white. Like this, the cable will be, the cross cable is maybe two and maybe some two connection will be interchanged. That is the cable. Just for the information, during maybe deep study, you can see Cat5 cables. And this and all Cat5, Cat6, Cat7 internet protocols and all is there. How to connect your maybe internet, that is called protocol. This is a set of rules. Protocol is a set of rules. The internet you will connect through IP. So you heard about the IP and all. So next, IP addresses. This is a very big area. So we can go for IP structures. This is maybe you are seeing that example 128.335.0.72. This is the IP structure. Maybe each and every system have the MAC system IP address. So this and all is mandatory. This is the IP structure class A, B, C, D, E is there. Okay, so this is the range of each and every network ranges. So you can see that. So depends upon that you can able to use it. And in that IPv4, and now we are using IPv6 addresses because due to shortfall of IPs. In that static address and dynamic addresses. Static address, for example, any university have, any company have, they have definitely static address to ensure that they are the main one. So that is one. And dynamic addresses, maybe you can see then maybe a Wi-Fi internet, it will give the automatically change the IPs. Today you will get one IP, tomorrow you will get another IP. That is DHCP concept, that one. And DHCP, I told you, in your railway station and airport, that and all you are working that DHCP only. That is a dynamic host configuration. The Aripa and all, this is one maybe automatic private internet protocol. Is not essential now. Maybe in deep study you can learn this and all. And IPv6, I told you this is 128-bit long. So today we are using IPv6 addresses. And subnetting. If you're having the IP address, there is a subnet is very important. The subnet is making the group. That is one. This also you can learn because it's very important. IP address and subnetting is very important. So it's a study and understand that anything mean further you need means you can keep in touch with me. I can share all the information. And these are the ranges, CIDR, if you go through that classless inter-domain routing, and formulas and all is there in this. And then what else? Introduction of network standard. You see, there is a standard. Whatever network you have the standard, how you are using the ISI like that. So networks also having the standards. They have to follow that standard, because why means the each and every manufacturer have the different means we cannot use it. So that standard is very important for the usability of our global connectivity. And this